Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Now I'm going to explain about example 1, single period multi-product. So this is the question. Syirin Bhd manufactures 3 products, Toto, Nana and Lala. So the following information is for the month of December to 20x1. So you have 3 products, okay, Toto, Nana and Lala. You are being given the budgeted sales in units. So 8,000 units you're going to produce for Toto, 5,000 units for Lala and 5,000 for Nana and 2,000 for Lala. You are being given the selling price per unit for each of the product. Next, you are being given the stock information. One is stock as at 1st of December 20x1 and the other one is stock as at 31st December 20x1. So meaning stock at 1st December, that is your opening stock. And the other one is your closing stock at the end of December. Okay, to produce 1 unit of each product, so the raw materials needed are as follows. So these are the raw materials. You need a product AB and you also need AC to produce 1 unit of Toto. You require 4 kilogram of AB and 5 kilogram of AC. So the following next for Nana, 2 kilogram of AB and 3 kilogram of AC and so on. So the budgeted stock of raw materials are as follows. So this one is the opening stock and this one, the 31st December, is your closing stock for AB and AC respectively. And then you are also being given the information about the cost per kg for your raw materials. So you have AB and AC, the price per kg. In addition to that, you are also being given the information about the direct labor. So you have the direct labor per unit for Toto, Nana and Lala, as well as you are being given the information about the production overhead. Okay, what is it that you are required to do? So you are required to prepare the following budget for the month of December 20x1. So the first one is the sales budget. Then second one is the production budget. Next is the material usage budget. After that, the material purchase budget, direct labor budget, and the production cost budget. So first, let's start with the sales budget in terms of the quantity and value. So from the question, you are being given the sales in units and you are also being given the information, the selling price per unit. So that will be for Toto 8,000 times 15, for Nana 5,000 times 12, and for Lala will be 2,000 times 10. So that is your sales budget. So here you can see your sales budget for the month of December 20x1. So the selling price per unit, the sales in units times with the selling price per unit in RM. So you will get the total sales value. So 8,000 times 15, you will get 120,000 ringgit for Toto, 60,000 ringgit for Nana, and 20,000 ringgit for Lala. Next, you are required to prepare the production budget. Okay, when you prepare the production budget, it depends on the sales, how many units that you want to sell. So based on that, that will be the quantity that you need to produce. Okay, so in this case, the sales unit is 8,000 units. Do you have any opening stock or closing stock for Toto? So yes, you have closing stock of finished goods. That means for Toto, you have 800. And for the opening stock, you have 1,000. Where do you get all these figures? From the question. You see, from the question, you are being given the information about the opening stock, 1,000 for Toto, and the closing stock for Toto is 800. So add your closing stock less your opening stock, as what we have explained before, as what we have seen before. So you have to add your closing stock, 8,000 plus 800 gives you 8,800, less your opening stock, then you will arrive at the total quantity to be produced. So accordingly, you will have 7,800 units for Toto. Then next, you need to produce 5,500 for Nana, and you need to produce 2,500 units for Lala. After that, you are required to prepare. The third one is the material usage budget for the month of December 20x1. So based on the quantity that you need to produce here, you need to produce 7,800 for Toto. So out of that, what are the material or the input material that you require? So that will be AB and AC. So to produce Toto, how many kilograms that you need? To produce 1 unit of Toto, you require 4 kg of AB and 5 kg of AC. If you produce 7,800 units, then that will be 7,800 units times 4. So if you can still remember our example earlier, that means we produce t-shirt. When we produce t-shirt, the material will be the fabric that you require. So in this case, you are producing Toto, and the input material, the fabric that you require will be AB and AC, this one. So you require two types of materials, AB. So to produce 1 unit of Toto, you require 4 kg of AB. So if you produce 7,800 units of AB, that means you will require 31,200 kilograms of AB. In addition to that, you also require 5 kg of AC to produce 1 unit of Toto. Therefore, 7,800 units of Toto times the 5 kg of AC that you require. So in total, you need 39,000 kilogram of AC to produce Toto. Okay, you do the same thing for Nana. Nana just now, you require 5,500. Where do you get this 5,500? From your production budget. So Nana, you require 5,500. And to produce 1 unit of Nana, you require 2 kg of AB and 3 kg of AC. So you complete this. So you will get the total material usage, or the total material that you require for AB is 57,200 kilograms. And for AC, you require 60,500 kilograms. So this is the total material usage. Next, you go for the material purchase budget. So 57,200 kilograms of AB that you require. Do you have any opening or closing stock? So you do the adjustment for your opening and closing stock. So in this case, you have the closing stock given in the question. You have the closing stock of for AB for 2,000, and you also have the opening stock. Okay, opening stock for AB 1,000. So you adjust for that. You will arrive at the total material that need to be purchased. Okay, 58,200. So you need to purchase 58,200 kilograms of AB. How much is the cost per unit? AB, the cost is 3 ringgit. Why do you get this 3 ringgit? From the question. So the question already mentioned that the cost per unit of AB is 3 ringgit. So if you want to purchase 58,200, you times with 3 ringgit per kg. So you will get the total cost of your material for AB as 174,600 ringgit. Okay. And you do the same thing for AC. The cost for AC is 2 ringgit per kg. So you times the total material for AC that you need to purchase times with the cost per kg. So you will arrive at this figure. Next, number 5, you need to prepare the direct labor budget. So direct labor budget, for Toto just now, you need to produce 7,800 units. So to produce 1 unit of Toto, you require 2 hours. So 1 unit require 2 hours. So in total, you will require 15,600. Where do you get 15,600? That will be 7,800 times 2. So you will get 15,600 hours. So the total direct labor hours that you require to produce Toto, the 7,800 units of Toto, is 15,600. How much is the rate? So you are paying 4 ringgit per hour. So if the rate is 4 ringgit per hour and you require 15,600 hours, that will be 15,600 times 4, you will get 62,400. So you do the same thing for Nana and Lala. So you will get the total direct labor cost will be, you add all these 3, you will get 143,150. That is your direct labor budget. Okay. Last one, you prepare the production cost budget. So for the production cost budget, that will be your elements of cost, your material. So this you require the material AB just now. AB 31,200 and AC 78,000 to produce Toto. You go back to your material budget just now, 31,200. This one, you require 31,200 kg and 39,000 of AC. okay, to produce Toto. So this one will be the quantity that you require times with the rate per kg. So for AB, the rate is 4 ringgit per kg. Okay, the rate is, the 3 ringgit per kg. So you times with the 3 ringgit per kg, you will arrive at this figure. So you do the same thing for AC. Next, you add with your direct labor. So your direct labor, you get from this one. For Toto, it is 62,400. Okay, and then you don't have any direct expenses, so that will be your prime cost. Next, add your production overhead. So your production overhead given in the question as 2 ringgit per unit. So you produce 7,800 units times 2. So you will get 15,600. So 15,600 add with your prime cost, that will give you total production cost for Toto. So that is RM249600. So you do the same thing for Nana and also Lala. So this is your production cost budget for the month of December 20X1. So with that, you have finished answering all these questions. Okay.